Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the data and making a working copy so you can experiment without breaking the original. Open the CSV or connect to the database, then scan headers and types to understand structure. Once done, convert ambiguous dates and normalize number formats. This prevents parsing errors later. Make sure to log any missing values or zero placeholders so you can handle them deliberately. These early checks save time and avoid logic mistakes during transformations. You now reshape the data to answer specific questions. Apply filters and sorting to isolate the rows that matter, then add calculated columns for ratios, normalized scores, or flags. Formulas and SQL expressions both work depending on your tool. Once those are in place, group or pivot to aggregate by category and reveal trends. Make sure to validate results against raw samples. Spot checking a few rows confirms your logic and avoids propagating errors into reports. You finish by validating, documenting, and exporting the clean table for use. Compare totals and spot samples against the original source, then freeze key columns or create a schema to prevent accidental edits. Export in the right format for consumers and include a short transformation log so others can reproduce the steps. If something breaks, first check data types and missing values. Often a date or null sneaks in and changes counts, so correct types and rerun the aggregation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.